All right, so I'm replacing these almond colored electrical outlets with these white ones right here. The white ones look a whole lot better. When you do this, make sure your power's cut. Ground wire goes around the green. Let's throw that on there first, just because it seems like that makes it a little bit easier. Not an electrician by no means, but you know, this is fairly simple stuff. Switch that. Let's see. Alright, so that's on there. It's supposed to wrap around this thing, but no, well, as long as it's holding on there, it doesn't matter. All right, what I like to do, and I don't know if this matters either, but you have silver screws on this side and gold screws on that side. Silver on this side, gold on that side. All right, so I like to take the black ones. I always put them on the silver side. And like I say, I don't know that that's the way it needs to be done. That's the way I always do it. And it always seems to work out well. If you, like I say, if you do this, make sure the power's cut. They also have these push-in tabs on the back of these things, and I don't really like those. So I use these right here, the screws. Tighten that down. Now here's the gold side. Let's see. All right. Push the white wire up in the gold side. Tighten her down. You're supposed to put a little curl on these things before you put them in there, so it wraps around the screw a little bit. I'm just doing this for an example. I don't really feel like curling them. I'll take it out and do it right after I finish the video. But screw these in. Make sure they're tight. It won't slip out. And right there wants to slip out. Stick it on the other side. Make it nice and tight. These things are fairly difficult to force into place because of the thickness of the wire. They don't like to move. Once you get that in there, just kind of force her around straight. Get your screws lined up top and bottom. Get that one in there. Once you get both these screws tightened all the way up, top and bottom, to where it's sitting flush against the wall, you can put your faceplate on there, and then you're done. Like, subscribe, and share.